Hey guys, I'm Share with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your phone if the touch is not responding or the screen is no longer working, or if you're having any sort of glitch on your iPhone. Now, this could be purely a software related glitch or bug, and it's a really easy fix to do if you didn't damage your phone or water didn't get into it. Usually, even if some little bit of water get into, this method might help you fix it, again, if it's not a hardware related issue. So you can see here I have a phone. Now let's say I can't touch or do anything. What can I do? The first thing you want to do is a force restart. So to do a force restart, you're going to press the volume up and let it go, then volume down and let it go, and then hold the side button on the right hand side. As you can see here, if you don't do it fast enough, you'll get Siri activated. So we'll do it really fast. So volume up, volume down, and then hold this side button. And this time it'll say to slide to power off. But of course, if your screen isn't working, you probably won't be able to do it. In either case, don't slide to power off. Just hold that big side button just like that. And we're going to wait till the Apple logo appears on the phone here. It's going to go completely black, and then we're going to let go. This method will not delete anything, your photos, videos, apps, contacts, media, everything will be there. It's just simply forcing the phone to reboot and reload the code so that if there is any sort of minor bug or software glitch, it will fix that for you. Remember, it's going to be volume up really quick and press and release, volume down really quick, press and release, and then hold that side button. That's known as a forced restart, different from a restart, which simply you press the volume up and side button at the same time. That's just a restart. Usually forced restart reloads the code, again fixes any sort of issues, software that you might be having. So that's going to be the first thing to do. Now the next thing you want to do is that it will require to update the software. But since you can't update the software through the settings because the touch screen isn't working, you'll need to get on a computer here. So I have a MacBook here, but on the newer MacBook you can actually do it through without downloading any apps. You can do it through the Finder app. But if you need to download if you have a PC or something, what you'll need to download is iTunes. So iTunes is a free software to download to fix any iPhone issues. To do that, you need to open up. To do that, you'll open up a Safari here. So I'm going to open up a new Safari here, and then you can just simply search for iTunes on Google, and then you go to the iTunes website, and then all you'll do is download it for whatever Windows you need. If you need it for Windows or Microsoft Store, or for older MacBook, you need to download iTunes. But in our case, we have a newer MacBook, and all we do is after you even download iTunes, it's going to be a similar step here. You're going to take your cable, charging cable, right? And then you're going to go ahead and plug it into your computer, right? You're going to plug in the computer, and then take that, and then you're going to plug it into your thing. And once you do that, it will go ahead and give you this phone option down here, and it will ask you, and it will show you some stuff about here. But what we're gonna do is check for update and try to update the phone right here. As you can see here, there's a check for update. You'll click on that, and then it will say either our version is current, but if you need to download it, it'll download and install the latest version of the update, and hopefully that will resolve the issue, because sometimes when you have an issue on the touchscreen, it's most likely, again, a software related issue. Now let's say even if you have to update the software, it's still not working. What's the issue? You might want to know. Well, issue could be that there's actually a recall on your screen if you didn't damage or break it. And the way to check that is if you open up your browser in a computer or something, look for our Apple recall program. So Apple recall program basically when there's an issue with phones, Apple will put it out there and they will replace your device for free if you're lucky, if there is an issue with the affected device and your device is affected. For example, as you can see here, there was an issue at one point with iPhone 11 where their display was having touch issues, and a lot of people had that issue, and they were able to get their iPhone replaced completely free without any charge here. You don't even have to have warranty or anything as long as it applies to your device. Things like, for example, iPhone 12 had some sound issues, some devices that were affected were replaced. As you can see here, you can go down here and find your device, and as you can see, iPhone even 10 has some issues with the Touch ID. You can read through the program, but if you take it to the Apple store and you show them, they'll check the phone and see if it's eligible for a replacement, and they'll pretty much give you a replacement. And hopefully these tips that I share with you guys help you guys resolve the issue if you're guys are having issues with the Touch ID. And if you found a better way to fix this issue, leave a comment in the comment section. And if this video helped you guys in any way, we appreciate it. Hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.